Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am not sharing a recipe. Instead, I want to share my YouTube journey with all of you. When I started this channel, I had a simple dream to share my love for cooking with people around the world. I never imagined how much I would learn along the way. In the beginning, hardly anyone watched my videos. Sometimes I uploaded a recipe that I worked on for hours and it received only a few views. It was discouraging, but I kept reminding myself why I started. Slowly, I learned how to improve my videos, my thumbnails, my editing, and my storytelling. Every upload taught me something new. There were difficult moments too. I lost subscribers, some videos did not perform well. I even faced challenges with YouTube monetization, which was disappointing. But instead of giving up, I decided to learn from my mistakes and keep moving forward. Every comment, every like, every subscriber become a source of motivation for me. This journey has taught me that success does not happen overnight. It takes patience, consistency, and the courage to continue even when no one seems to notice your efforts. Today I am still learning, I am still growing, and I am grateful that you are part of this journey with me. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, my message is simple. Don't wait for perfect. Start with what you have, keep improving, keep learning, and never stop believing in yourself. Thank you for supporting my channel. Whether you have been here from the beginning or you have just joined today, I am truly grateful. Today's video is special because I am sharing not only a delicious green chicken with spinach paste recipe but also a little about my YouTube journey. Every recipe on this channel represents my passion for cooking and my commitment of learning and improving. My YouTube journey has not always been easy. There have been challenges, slow growth and moments of doubt. But your supports, comments, like and subscription inspire me to keep creating new recipes for you. If you enjoy my recipes and would like to see more cooking videos on my YouTube channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Together let's continue this beautiful journey. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Every like, comment and subscription encourage me to create more recipes for you. If you have not subscribed yet, please join the Cook with Sara family by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the bell icon. Thank you for your love and support. It truly means everything to me. Watch the full video for detailed step-by-step instruction and cooking tips. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comment section.